Hey, it's John-Marc, and I am having a howling time to do this video lesson on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're going to be doing this little awesome werewolf. And if you kind of like werewolf, I grew up as a kid thinking they were kind of cool, especially with Count Dracula and Frankenstein and the old black and white movies from the 60s and the 50s. That was way before many of your time, I know, but they were awesome. A lot of those cartoons, well, not cartoons, B-rated movies, really fun. Anyways, so if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to draw this howling werewolf. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.